In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in Asana using the powerful @mention method. This technique not only helps you create meaningful connections between different elements in your Asana workspace, but also streamlines your workflow and enhances collaboration within your team. So, let's dive right in and learn how to effectively link tasks using this hypertext feature. First, you'll want to locate the task where you'd like to create a connection. This could be an ongoing project, an important task update, or even a new assignment that requires linking to other relevant information. Once you're in the description or comment field of this task, you're ready to begin creating those valuable links. To create a link within your task, simply type the @ symbol. As you do this, you'll notice a prompt that allows you to start typing the name of another task, project, tag, or person. This step transforms your Asana experience into a dynamic web of connections, making it easier to reference related content without having to leave your current task window. As you input the @ symbol and begin typing, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying potential matches based on your input. This is where Asana's intelligence truly shines, as it provides you with options to choose from, making it effortless to locate exactly what you need. Carefully scan the drop-down menu and select the correct item that you wish to link. Whether it's another task within your current project, a tag that categorizes similar work, or someone on your team, this selection process ensures that your connections are both precise and relevant. Once you've made your selection from the drop-down menu, you'll see the link appear seamlessly within your text. This is more than just a visual enhancement. It's an interactive link that you and others with access can click on to navigate directly to the linked item. It's a simple move, but one that enhances efficiency by reducing the time spent searching for related elements or switching between different parts of the platform. Linking tasks using the @mention method can significantly enhance project management within Asana by ensuring that everything stays interconnected. Not only does it help in keeping track of related tasks and projects, but it also simplifies communication with your team. By clicking on the links you've created, everyone who has permission can quickly find contextual information, making collaboration smoother and more transparent. By integrating this method into your routine, you'll find that managing tasks becomes a more cohesive experience, encouraging productivity and promoting a more organized workspace. Practice using this technique in your upcoming tasks and notice how it transforms the way you interact with Asana. That's it for today. Remember, the @mention method is a small step that makes a big difference in how you manage your tasks. Thanks for tuning in and happy linking in Asana.